Yeah, bro. I'm good. I can't complain right now. Just got into school. Well, new semester. But really, I came here to speak to you about something.
What's that?
Like, I just want to get out of this situation.
Get out of this situation?
I don't think it's for me. And I know you don't just let niggas go, but I feel like I have the right.
You feel like you have a right? That's funny.
Funny, I'm just
Did you feel like you had a right 2 weeks ago when you came in here?
Well,
Let me just stop, okay? You don't have rights. You had rights 2 weeks ago when you came here because you came in here and you asked me to help you.
Yeah, but I didn't know it'd be like
this. That's a luxury. This is a luxury. Look, it's a luxury that not everyone has. I gave you the luxury and then you come and you shit all over me.
Well, when does this like cycle end?
When I say it ends. You had rights, but you chose freedom, financial freedom, over mediocrity. You want to just be like everyone else?
Yeah, new semester just started like 3 weeks ago. I'm taking this philosophy class. Speaking of that, actually, the teacher, like, you ever heard about the bear and the bear in the kettle?
The bear in the kettle.
All right, so there's a story about a bear and a kettle, and these like camp dudes, they like leave the kettle in the pot. Like, I mean, they leave the kettle burning, and like the bear comes and grabs the kettle and it burns him, and you know his way of defense is like, you know, instead of letting it go, he just squeezes it tighter, and it burns him even more, and that's like his way. That is kind of like reminding me of you in a way. It's kind of funny, but yeah, like you've been living on the edge your whole life. It's kind of crazy. You just like, you know this shit's gonna have a negative effect, but you just keep doing it. So that story kind of relates to you in a way, I think, in my opinion.
Story time.
I mean, it's not story time. I just wanted to tell you that.